A couple of days ago, something really weird happened to me. See, you guys know that I run this tech channel, and being a smartphone reviewer, I have a lot of phones that I keep switching between. So a couple of days ago, I picked up an old phone that I hadn't used in months, and I realized that I had completely forgotten the lock screen password. And that got me thinking, maybe this has happened to you. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can recover your old Android phone's lock screen password, whether it's a password that you forgot or you bought a refurbished phone and it is still locked to the previous owner. This is a tool that might help you recover that. With that said, be sure to hit on that like button, hit on that subscribe button, and let's get started. Okay, so to demonstrate this, I'm actually going to be using a tool that I have shared with you guys before, and it is Dr. Phone by the guys over at Wondershare. Now, Dr. Phone is basically a complete phone toolkit, but what impresses me most is their phone unlock section. This works for Android screen unlocking as well as different types of lock like a PIN, password, or even a fingerprint type of lock screen. And the best part is, guys, you don't need any technical knowledge to use this tool. It supports a wide range of devices like Samsung, OnePlus, MI, and many others. So chances are your phone is going to be supported. All you have to do is go to the first link in the description and download this software onto your Windows or MacBook computer. And once done, just open it up and go to the phone unlock section. Now just connect your phone to your computer using a Type-C cable or any other cable that is supported. And now you will see Dr. Phone will give you step-by-step guides on how to start the password recovery process. So just select the phone model, follow the instructions, and Dr. Phone handles the rest. And as you can see, finally recovered the password. Now do keep in mind, in some smartphones, you might have to completely reset your phone. So do back up your data in case you haven't already. Now the best part about Dr. Phone is that it's super simple. So literally anybody could use it. You do not need to be a tech-savvy person like me to end up using this tool properly. So if you guys are interested in it, what I'll do is link it in the description below. Feel free to check it out and choose a plan that works for you. Another cool thing is that you can actually select the tool that you're going to be using, so you actually end up paying only for what you use and not for all the other tools that are inside Dr. Phone as well. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Anubhav signing out. Thank you so much for watching. Hit on that like button, hit on that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and peace out. Bye-bye.